Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a G Suite email with Shopify registered domain. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need to have our Google Workspace environment or account that would be set up. And when you are going to register, it will take you or tell you if you are going to use a new custom domain or using your existing domain. Of course, if you have your Shopify registered domain, means that you will need to set up using your existing domain. From here, you will add your domain name, and basically, to find your domain name, you will need just to search for it in the settings. And basically, you will need just to go to domains, and from here, you will find all your domain. So, for example, we can use this domain, our this one, and we can do it like from here, and then it will ask uh, then I'm going to click on next. You add your username, password, etc., and then I'm just going add your username and password. And basically, if you don't have already a domain, you can either connect an existing domain or you can buy a new domain by Shopify. So basically, after you finish this process of setting up your domain with your Google's Workspace, you will be able to have your G Suite email. And basically, then you can add it in your emails here in your general stores. So basically, in your application or your store email details, and then we will need just to go to our store details. And basically, here in the store email, you will need to add your uh, store the G Suite email. And of course, for your sender email, you can use go to notification settings and add your sender email as your uh, G Suite email. And by that, you will successfully have uh, set up your G Suite email in your Shopify. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.